Hey, Future Phone Flash fam! Get ready for some thrilling updates about the future of iPhone battery life. Stick around as we explore the latest advancements and what they mean for you. Current battery leaders, iPhones, have already made big strides in battery life. The iPhone 15 Plus and iPhone 15 Pro Max are leading the pack with some of the best phone batteries out there. Battery size leaks. There have been leaks about the battery sizes for the iPhone 16 lineup. Standard 3,561 mAh plus 6%, plus 4,675 mAh plus 9%, Pro 3,355 mAh plus 2%, Pro Max 4,676 mAh plus 5%. It's still unclear if all iPhone 16 models will get these new batteries or if it will be limited to certain ones. Ku suggests we might not see a full rollout until the iPhone 17, depending on how well the new batteries are received. EU regulations and battery replacement. The new batteries are designed to comply with upcoming EU rules that require phone owners to replace their batteries with basic tools. Currently, the iPhone 15 requires specialized tools, but Apple plans to simplify this with electrically induced adhesive bonding, allowing the battery to be removed with an electrical charge instead of the current complicated method. What's next? We'll have to wait for the iPhone 16 Pro Max release to see these changes in action. In the meantime, stay tuned to our iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro Max hubs for the latest updates. Pro. Don't forget to subscribe to Future Phone Flash for all your tech news. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.